Good morning, everybody. This morning we're going to have some breakfast. We're going to have some granola, fruit rouges. They're bio. That's brilliant. And it's got an AB. I don't know, and it's rich in fibre and rich in cereal, complete. So we're going to have that. It's already in the bowl. Look. And some juice. See, look. I'm really, innocent. And it's ponds and things and all these things all mashed up. Right, that stuff and loads of good things. It's not too bad at all. I like it. But first we're gonna open up this active yogurt. Instead of milk, I use vanilla yogurt. Very good. So we're gonna put this on here, this, and we're gonna mush it up. Just look at the way I stir it all up and mix it in. It's all nicely coated, so when it goes inside my tummy, all that goodness, all those little enzymy things get munching away and crunching and helping everything go down for the beginning of the day. So that's all ready. Look at that. Shall we have a taste? I think we should have a taste. Sheer bliss. And now we can open up this and pour it in to, it's a glass. Look at this. Wow. There you go. I think we'll have a little sip before we go and sit down. And then we have our little vitamins and things. You know, there's stuff that people who exercise have for iron and, I don't know, things, stuff. It's all exciting. Well, thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up and we'll do it all again tomorrow. Oh, I forgot the really naughty bit. I'm not going to tell you, but look at that. Pain raisin. From the bakery. We're going to make it a little bit warm and toasty with that thing there. Sort of like that. Shall we? Won't do it now, but that'll be a couple of minutes later on. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.